Do you feel healthier on WW?
Absolutely.
Learn how to eat all the foods you love. Losing weight with Weight Watchers just got easier.
A company that can help customers access diet medications.
This is brilliant. I'm excited.
It's time to cut the BS around Weight Watchers and simplify things once and for all. Weight Watchers essentially works through tracking the food you eat to lead to weight loss. Sounds like calorie counting, right?
Wrong!
But the difference with Weight Watchers is their point system, in which every food and drink has a corresponding points value. Saturated fat and sugar are higher in point value when proteins are lower. You have to pay to be a Weight Watchers member, and this includes access to their custom-made app. The Weight Watchers app includes a food tracking feature similar to MyFitnessPal, along with other features and content designed to support weight loss. Hi, I'm Stacey Jones, head coach at Body Smart Fitness. We are a team of women's weight loss experts, and to date we have helped over 3,000 women transform their fitness, nutrition and mindset. On average, our clients lose 5 to 10 pounds a month and keep it off for good. Before forming an opinion on any diet, it's important to assess the pros and cons. Let's run through some of the pros of Weight Watchers. Pro number 1 is the app. Apps can be very handy tools, letting you quickly review your progress and assess your choices at the tap of a finger. One of the difficulties people have when embarking on a new diet is the admin involved. Writing a diet plan, finding recipes, researching foods, tracking weight, it can all seem endless.
Oh, there's so much to do!
Having one place to do all this stuff can take some of the struggle out of the process. And the more convenient something is, the more likely you are to stick to it. Pro number 2 is improvements in the program. There's been a real shift in diet culture over the last couple of years, and people are beginning to realize that fad diets and weight loss clubs can be problematic.
It's about time!
Weight Watchers have responded to this, and they've continually developed their program instead of sticking to their old methods. They now boldly state, no fads, just proven science, on their website. Gone are the weekly weigh-ins that can lead to stress, shame, and a dysfunctional relationship with weight monitoring, and instead their members now log their food digitally, can attend wellness sessions, and get virtual community support all through the app. Pro number 3 is weight loss. To put it simply, yes, you can lose weight on Weight Watchers. The program is designed to help you on your weight loss journey, and it does use some principles that can work, such as limiting calorie intake, increasing protein intake, and encouraging the consumption of more whole foods. But hold your horses. That is not to say you should hop right onto the Weight Watchers bandwagon before you look at the whole picture. Sure, these advantages look attractive, but there are some disadvantages you ought to consider. Con number 1 is the cost. This might come as a shock to you.
Oh boy.
But you don't have to pay a membership fee of hundreds of dollars a year to lose weight. Although diet clubs like Weight Watchers can make it seem as if they have some unknown secret that you can't benefit from until you pay up, this isn't the case. The truth is, you can educate yourself on weight loss principles and achieve your goals without ever being tied into a membership contract. Now, that's not to say that you can't pay for help.
I need help!
But you should consider your options and the value for money. You might get more benefits from a personal trainer, one-to-one coach, or from a meal prep service instead of giving your money to an impersonal diet club. Con number 2, limited education. Weight Watchers uses their point system, but points oversimplify the nutritional content of food. They also ignore the fact that different foods serve different roles depending on your lifestyle and your individual goals. Plus, they can cause people to remain oblivious to the basic principles of fat loss which sit behind them. Now it's time to reveal another industry secret. The whole business model of a diet club is to offer just enough information so that you can achieve results, but not so much that you can then go and do it on your own.
That's so messed up.
Weight Watchers members might gain some education through the club's content and resources, but the mystical things like points really only scratch the surface of understanding how to build a balanced diet. It also doesn't really help you tackle your habits and your relationship with food, which for many people is what keeps them yo-yoing on and off and on and off the diet bandwagon. Con number 3, it's not specific to your lifestyle. This is one of the most important factors you should consider when you're deciding on any diet. The Weight Watchers plan claims to be personalised based on your age, weight, height and sex to help you lose weight in a healthy way. But is that really personalised enough?
Meh.
Long-term weight loss is best achieved through a sustainable, adaptable and healthy lifestyle change. And that means factoring in your specific likes, dislikes, your routine, your activity level, your mental and hormonal health, your goals and any challenges. It's unlikely that a generic diet club program will factor in all these wildly varying elements of your life and help you find something that you can stick with once the diet phase is over. So with all that being said, where does Body Smart stand on Weight Watchers? The truth is, Weight Watchers might work for you, but it's a low-hanging fruit for those starting to lose weight, and it's unlikely to help you create a lasting change.
You guys got my hopes up.
My advice would be to approach any diet club with caution. Remember, the business model wants to keep you trapped in the program, and also consider whether your unique lifestyle factors work with this one-size-fits-all approach. Armed with all this information, Weight Watchers might still feel like a good fit for you. That's great, but just remember that you're capable of learning the principles of fat loss and achieving your goals without being reliant on a diet club.
You are capable of amazing things.
At Body Smart, our favourite approach is a balanced and personalised one, with education at its heart. We believe in empowering women to take control of their nutrition and fitness, so they don't have to blindly follow a diet plan and pay to do so. If you think that makes a lot of sense, click the link in the description to find out more about our one-to-one coaching, which will help you lose weight for the final time.
I love that idea.
Now, we've only covered some of the main pros and cons of this diet, but hopefully this is going to help you understand the complexities of choosing the right diet for your individual lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and let us know in the comments what other diets you'd like us to cut the BS on.